Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. Here I've got some Borlotti beans. I got these from a can. If you're going to use a can, give them a nice wash in some cold water, drain them off. Equal parts of tomatoes and cucumber, cut nice and small. Little bit of onion. Some sun-dried tomatoes that I've chopped up again nice and small. Got some beautiful black olives here. Touch of garlic. There's like 1 clove there chopped. Here I've got equal parts of a quality olive oil and some balsamic vinegar. Here I've got some fresh basil. We're going to get all of that mixed into a bowl. So here we go, mixing bowl here. Got my beans in. I'm going to start throwing it all in now. Cucumber, tomatoes, and the onion. Those sun-dried tomatoes. Those black olives, use green if you want. That little bit of garlic. And then equal parts of the balsamic vinegar and the olive oil. Some black pepper. Little pinch of salt. And then for our fresh basil, which I just put in whole. No need to chop it up. Then what we're going to do is give this a little mix up. I'm going to pop this onto some rocket. And it's done. Okay, there you go, really simple. Just got a bit of rocket underneath there, serving that on top of that. Absolutely wonderful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.